Hello everyone, my name is Tommy. In this video I will show you how to make at least 40 USD amount of crypto without any investment. As I told you earlier, I'm gonna talk about an airdrop of Bitay crypto exchange. As you can see, Bitay Turkey was established in December 2018 in Istanbul. And for a long time ago they have moved their headquarters to Estonia and operating internationally since then. So I think we can say they are legit. In this airdrop you will make at least 40 USD amount of crypto. As you can see on the screen now, we will join Invite Your Friends and Earn campaign. To be able to join this campaign first, you need to sign up to Bitay via the link description below and finish your identity verification process, level 1 and level 2. Once you click the link and open your Bitay account, you will earn 100 Bitay, which equals 3.41 USD right now. And after that, as you can see on the screen, by inviting your friends, you can make much more, at least 40 United States dollars. According to this campaign, if you invite 10 friends of yours and they complete identification process, you will earn 1,000 Bitay coin, which equals 30 for United States dollars and 7 cents now. You also earn 3.41 USD from our reference link. So 3.41 plus 34.07 is 37 USD. This is the money you made by just signing up to Bitay exchange and inviting 10 of your friends. After inviting your friends with your referral link, you need to click Get Reward button. This is 100% withdrawable. The most important things to get your reward is that first you need to sign up Bitay with a reference link like in the description below and finish your identification process level 1 and level 2. After that you can start inviting your friends and start making money. Your reference link will be here. Just simply copy it and start sending it to your friends, and don't forget each of your friends who completes the ID process will also get an additional 3 United States dollars and 41 cents amount of Bitay coin withdrawable.